Here I'm fairly satisfied with the ear. I put a nail in the ear. I cut off the head of the nail. I ground the nail off so I can put the ear onto the head. And that nail is going to hold it in place as the glue dries. It's not bad. Like I said, it's not perfect, but I'm not a carver. It didn't cost me any money to fix it. Just a little bit of time. And after the glue dries, I will put some filler where you can see the crack. But it looks a lot better than what it did with it not having an ear. And like I said, from far away, you can't tell that the ear has been replaced unless you got Superman eyes. But I hope y'all like this video. Please hit the subscribe button, and God bless.